The biggest recognition and reward for DMDK came when they allied with AIADMK with us way back in 2011, wherein the founder, Mr. Vijaykanth, got the role as leader of opposition, the highest ever for DMDK since they formed the party. And post 2011, 2016, 2021, whenever the assembly election had come, whatever decisions DMDK had taken has given them a big zero and a big failure. And 2026 is a testimony that they will be a hat-trick failures with the electoral decision that DMDK had taken since they have formed an ally with DMK. They have missed the winning bus, AIADMK and NDA. DMDK has missed to find a seat in the winning bus, and they have gone to a place where the loss is evident and imminent.
But what is the reason behind DMDK joining with DMK? Like, it was also, there was a talk that ADMK, they were also speaking ADMK, where they missed the bus.
See, sometimes the demands might be more unreasonable and unrealistic. So when it has not been able to meet the expectations of the people who seek for that unrealistic demands, this will be the end. This is what will happen.
So what sort of, is there any backlash for the ADMK or the...
Absolutely not. AIADMK, there are about 9-10 allies parties. We have already had a rally when all the ally party took place, represented that the work is going on the ground. DMK will be an addition if they chose to come with us. We would have given them a seat in the bus which is marching towards victory. But it is up to them. Yeah, hat-trick strategy, failed strategy during elections will what DMDK's outcome will be after 2026.
So, as you mentioned earlier, like 2011, when DMDK joined with the ADMK, they were crowned as LOP. But now ADMK is the opposition party. Does this, is there any missing scenario?
No, 2026 it's all EPS all the way to be crowned as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Not sure whether MK Stalin will be the opposition leader. So DMDK has surely missed the opportunities that was there in front of them. It was a low-hanging fruit for DMDK to have joined with AIADMK and NDA. However, they chose to have a different priorities, setting aside their priorities and the expectations of the party. So it's up to them.